Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, everyone, to another goddamn video. Welcome back, everyone. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Right through the middle. We're just going to carry on talking about a little bit about last episode. Basically what's happened is with the 16 bits bike, basically they replaced a fuel pump, tried to resolve it that method, but nothing has actually worked just yet, unfortunately. So well, we'll let you know what the issue is either way, but till then it's just gonna be me at the minute. Unfortunately, it's just gonna be me. So yeah, you're gonna have to put up with me for a little bit longer. Like, it is what it is at the end of the day. At some point also I will get my fairings through. So that's the front, this bit, this shoulder in blue at some point, unless they're fucking around with me. I won't be best pleased, but they said that the delivery is being delivered to somewhere. I have asked where, but they haven't replied yet, and I don't think they're gonna until tomorrow now. So hopefully they're gonna just send me the parts to collection point so that I could collect them. Then I'll easily just take them off anyway and then replace them in general. But till I get the parts, it's not gonna happen, so I gotta wait a bit longer. But he has said they're on their way. I have asked him to change the address to the local depot to me, but haven't heard anything back as of today. As I just already said, fuck my life. And then once I've sorted that out, then my next thing to sort is, well, I might just cable tie the fairing back onto the fork, because it's already got cable ties around it with no protection whatsoever. So I hate it when I don't ride for so long. My fucking wrist kills me. If I tuck this back in, going a little fast there. Fucking 45, 30 in a 30 probably, perhaps, maybe. So Ucha, uppa. My front wheel feels sketchy as fuck. I'm on a bright fucking bike, like, I don't care whether you got sun in your eyeballs, you use your hand, girl. You use your goddamn hand. Whew. Come on, birdies, get out of the fucking way. Keep going, go and get. So in theory I should be okay with the front being like this, because it's a bit wobbly on the left and not the right. But I think I figured out why it was actually doing the why it snapped originally in the first place. Basically what's happened is, because they can only go one way, I think I put it the wrong way and put tension on the actual joint, the rubber joint. No. Right, English, sprechen Sie English. Where's this guy going, like? Not that guy, the one that was indicating left. He was like in the middle of the road before he even got to the fucking cyclist. Anyways, it's like in the middle of the fucking road. Sketchy motherfucker. Jesus Christ, gonna take the mirrors off now. So I gotta go post parcel now, right outside. I think it's an old guy. Man, his eyesight must be fucked. How close he's going to the edge, but like, he's by the hazard line. He's by the goddamn hazard line. Do you do the UPS here?
Not anymore, no.
Oh no, do you know where I could?
No.
Oh.
I stopped doing it about a month ago.
Oh, never. Oh, bloody hell. Do you still receive Hermes parcels?
Hermes, yeah.
Alright, alright. Alright, I'll have to have a look online, see where the new local point is. Alright, thank you. That's alright. Gotta satisfy the little demons. Someone's gotta do it. Although I'll probably pop my fucking seals on the gasket seals if I keep doing that. Can't do it often. Yeah, that orange light is staying there now. They do UPS now. If they don't do it at the premiere, where the fuck do they do it? They gotta do it somewhere local around by here, because there's nowhere else they do it. They don't do it there, they do pain points and that's it. So what is left? Do they do it in the spa then? Actually, I know where they do it. Up here. So let's give it a go. I got a bit of time to kill. I wasn't expecting to be home this early, to be fair. Like, or well, out this early. Normally I'm waiting half an hour at the fucking gate to get out. So fingers crossed this one does UPS, which I believe it does because it's a premiere. No, don't think it does. Fuck's sake. That's it. I'm done. Fucking no UPS here.